2, 1 point game. Mlatak puts Croatia within 1 point. Karaško. Okay, so now Croatia just needs 1 point. Cetina can finish this thing, and he does. Croatia, European champion, upsets Spain. Unbelievable. Wow. Amazing final. Congratulations to both teams. Amazing final. MVP.
Trophy will be presented by Mr. Babis Markakis, President of the Basketball Clubs Association of Crete.
He's played outstanding. Obviously, had Spain won it, Alexander Karaško would have been the MVP. But Cetina willed his team all tournament long. He was critical against Slovenia. Hit the game winner to get them over the hump. Babis Markakis, history of Croatian 3x3. Croatia winning the Europe Cup.
The medals will be presented by Mr. Nikos Nikolopoulos, Secretary General of the Hellenic Basketball Federation.
Nikos Nikolopoulos, Secretary General of the Hellenic Basketball Federation, will give out the last medals of the day.
The trophy will be presented by Mr. Nikos Nikolopoulos, Secretary General of the Hellenic Basketball Federation. Γενικός Γραμματέας της Ελληνικής Ομοσπονδίας Ποδοσφαίρισης.